Stakeholders in the Gambia's transport and energy sectors converged for this consultative engagement as authorities move towards the implementation of the multi-million US dollar World Bank funded infrastructure project. Participants will be deliberating on a wide range of thematic areas relevant to the investment and reform program that will be implemented in the project. Alhaji Ba is the Deputy Permanent Secretary at the Ministry of Transport, Works and Infrastructure.
Infrastructure is the foundation of economic growth and social development. Recognizing this, the government of the Gambia, in partnership with the World Bank, is working towards securing $100 million in International Development Association grant to support this transformative project. As part of the World Bank Environment and Social Safeguards, the government of the Gambia has engaged WAPSCO Limited to develop the key safeguard instrument. The workshop will focus on the review of 3 key instruments with objectives of understanding your interests and concerns for incorporations into the final documents to ensure successful implementations. 1. Environmental and Social Management Framework, the ASFT. The specific objectives of this framework are to assess the potential environment and social risk, establish procedures for screening and review, approval, specific appreciate roles and responsibility, and address mechanism for public consultations and disclosure of projects documents, as well as redress possible grievances.
The country's transport and energy sectors are critical to the Gambia's national development endeavor and quest to enhance socio-economic prospects. This explains why the country's National Transport Policy 2018-2027 emphasizes access to connectivity and integration of renewable energy to upgrade public transport infrastructure. The World Bank is collaborating with the Gambia government in the drive to realize this ambition. Christopher Deserio is a senior transport specialist with the World Bank Group.
On the investment side, a lot of this will be focused on road rehabilitation and upgrade, so last mile connections to the communities, and some of the urban roads infrastructure around climate resilience, but also access to public transport services. On the technical assistance, again, we'll be looking at some of the reforms related to public transport and possibly around fleet renewal of the Gele system and kind of a greater formality in coordination with the GTSC.
Driving investment and reform initiatives, the infrastructure project seeks to address several structural challenges that affect access and connectivity to people's daily needs and services, which mostly affect underserved communities.
In the road sector, vehicle inspection and emission centers will be a focus around the institutional development to provide those services, making Gambia's transport system safer, cleaner, and more affordable.
The Gambia's infrastructure development initiatives have been focused on improving and expanding the national road network and electricity grid. To expand road infrastructure networks, the World Bank is partnering with the Gambia government to conduct a feasibility study covering 500 kilometers of roads, with the bank ready to construct 150 kilometers from this expansive scheme. Momodou Lamin Choi, News.